T2161 ARC Series Spoiler Installation Guide. First, the labeled bracket is the middle spoiler bracket. Connect the spoiler brackets at this position. Fix both sides with screws, spring washers, and flat washers. Do not tighten yet. Keep the brackets movable. Place the soft side of the connecting plate downward, the flat side forward. Fix with screws, spring washers, and flat washers. Assemble 3 pieces. Paste rubber pads at this position. Bolts and brackets. Assemble the bolts and brackets with nuts. Total 3 pieces. Remove the screws here. Slide in 3 connecting brackets. Position properly. Clamp the main bracket body onto the front edge of the luggage rack. Fix with screws, spring washers, and flat washers. Place the spoiler for positioning. Align with the screw holes, then remove the spoiler. Peel off the rubber pads at the bottom of the brackets and paste them onto the vehicle roof. Tighten all screws after confirming correct positioning. Install the spoiler and insert soft rubber rings onto the screws. Tighten the 6 screws connecting to the main spoiler body. Paste rubber pads on the corners of the spoiler for cushioning. Installation guide ends here. Thank you for choosing T2161.